At present, the weather situation indicates that the upper air cyclonic circulation lays over northeast Bay of Bengal. During next 48 hours, it is likely to move over North Bay of Bengal and intensify into a low pressure system, and under its influence, Telangana is likely to have light to moderate rains during next 2 days, and thereafter there is slight increase in the rainfall activity with moderate to heavy over North Telangana and light to moderate rains rest of the parts of the Telangana, and Telangana is likely to have fairly widespread rainfall on 18th, 19th and 20th. 19th there is likely of heavy rainfall and yellow warnings have been issued to Komarambim, Manchiryal, Jaishankar Bhopalpalli, Mulgu, Warangal, Hanmakonda, Mahbubabad, Karimnagar and Peddapalli districts of this Telangana. The adjoining districts are likely to have light to moderate rains. Hyderabad city during next 48 hours is likely to have very light rain during next 48 hours, and temperatures are likely to be in the range of 33 to 35 degrees Celsius.